Welcome and welcome back to another episode of Recipes from the Hacienda. Today we are going to make a homemade guacamole. Let's get started. Okay, so for our ingredients for our guacamole, we will need 3 avocados, 1 jalapeno like this one, chopped fine. This is a half a bunch of cilantro, 1/2 of a yellow onion, again chopped fine, 1 tomato on the vine, chopped not so fine, but kind of small. We've got 1 lime and 1 lemon that we're going to squeeze. I've got 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning salt and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's get going. So we're going to start off, we're going to cut this avocado in half. And you just kind of twist it. And the way to know whether a avocado is good or not, if you squeeze it and it just kind of gives a little bit like that. I mean, it doesn't give like a bunch, but just barely gives a little bit. Firm, but just a little bit. You got a good avocado, okay? And the way to get that seed out, stab it, twist it. There you go. And we'll just take that off. And I always kind of chop it like this to help out in the process. Okay. We're going to just scoop it out. We're going to do this for 3 of them. Oops. Get all the meat out of there. Okay. Twist it. Oh, that one didn't go up. All right. Sometimes they're a little bit more stubborn than others. All right. Okay. Last one here. Okay. Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and we're going to put our limes in first. These avocados, they turn color so fast, so you want to squeeze your lime in there first because that'll kind of slow down that process. As soon as avocados hit air, I mean, they just start turning like immediately. So, and this will help slow that down. So, I know most people use only limes. I like both, so I use 1 lime and 1 lemon when I make mine, but you can do it however you want to. The lemon is a little bit sweeter than the lime, but when you make your guacamole, you just do it how you want to do it. It's your kitchen. Okay. Alright, we're just going to start off by going ahead and chopping it up a little bit. You do want it a little chunky, so you don't want to like chop it too much, but this obviously still needs to be chopped some. Another way to do it is, I think I might get my potato masher. 1 second. That'll help speed up the process. Just give it a couple of good mashes. You want to leave some chunks in there. I think there we go. Go ahead and dump in our cilantro, our jalapeno. And you know, to make it not as spicy, you can de-seed it. Use half a jalapeno. Make it spicier, use more. Look at the seeds in. It's always to your preference. Okay. I don't think I got a big enough bowl. We're gonna find out. All right, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of my tomatoes at a time. Go ahead and dump in my seasonings. Let's give her a mix. I was cutting it kind of close there with this bowl, but that's okay. Okay, so my husband decided to take one for the team and go ahead and take a couple of bites of the guacamole so I could have enough room to fit the rest of that tomato in. And so the rest of the tomato is in there. And we like to use Julio's chips. They're like pre-seasoned chips and they're so good, especially with this guacamole. And the guacamole, oh my gosh, it's good. Here goes nothing. It's delicious. Take a chance, make this. I promise you, you're gonna love it just as much as we do. We will see you next week. Please like and subscribe.